This is a brief guided mindfulness exercise to relieve stress and anxiety that you can do anytime, anywhere. It will leave you feeling more grounded, relaxed, and alert to the present moment experience of your body and senses. So to begin, allow yourself to get comfortable. You can be seated or you can lie down for this meditation. Take a few deep breaths, inhaling deeply and exhaling slowly. Allow yourself to let go of any stress you've been feeling. Let go of any tension in your shoulders. Let go of any tension in your jaw. Allow your breath to return to normal and bring awareness to what breathing feels like right now. Notice the physical sensations of breathing. Wherever that physical sensation of breathing is the most vivid, place your awareness there. You might feel it most in the rise and fall of your abdomen. You might feel it most in your nostrils. Wherever that sensation is the clearest, simply place your focus right there. Experience the exhale. Experience the in-between. And each time that you notice that the momentum of your mind has drawn your awareness away from your breath, gently, non-judgmentally place your attention back on your breath. You might find it helpful to say within your mind, inhale. Each time you inhale, and exhale. Each time you exhale. By silently saying these words, you draw your attention back to your breath. Your mind will wander. Notice when it does, and with compassion and love for yourself, accept or acknowledge that your mind has wandered and bring your awareness back to the physical sensation of breathing. Observe each breath as though it's the first breath you've ever taken. This is an opportunity to pay attention to this present moment. Place your attention on your breath in this present moment. Simply notice and feel what it feels like to breathe in this present moment. And as the momentum of the mind draws your awareness away from your breath, kindly and gently bring your awareness back to your breath. Allow yourself to explore this moment, to be curious about this moment, to allow your breath to open up the doorway to this moment. As you prepare to come out of this meditation, notice how you feel in your body. Take a moment to feel this feeling of presence. Take a moment to experience it, to notice what it feels like in your body to be present. Offer yourself a little gratitude for taking the time to be present, and carry this feeling of presence with you as you go out into your day. May you be present. May you be peaceful. May you be gentle on yourself today.